Hi guys, today CATIA lecture 9 is discussed here and CATIA all command learn easily. Today 2 point you can say here axis and points. 2 point discuss here today. At first open a CATIA software, okay, and this point is a clear, okay. At first point, all point you can say here, and axis, this is axis. At first all point discuss here, and next is a axis, okay. A line is draw here, okay, and this is a point, first point, second, okay, drag, double click, second, third, fourth, any point you can see here, drag, okay, any point, drag here the point, anywhere drawing, anywhere drag, anywhere point is clicking and drag here, okay. Next is a center point. Next is a point by using coordinate, very important. First is a x coordinate and y coordinate. X coordinate is horizontal line and y coordinate is vertical line. X coordinate is a 20, okay, 20, and tab y coordinate is a 30, enter, okay. This is a point, okay. X coordinate is a 20, okay, okay, and point is a discuss. Next is a coordinate. Coordinate is a, you can click, and this is a coordinate, okay. X coordinate is vertical, x coordinate is horizontal line. Horizontal line means 40 mm, tab, and vertical line is y coordinate is means 50 mm, okay. You can see here, drag, this point is drag, you can see here, and any point is a drag, okay. And this point is a different, this, and any dimension is click here, body, and this body is a, okay, this drag circle, and dimension is, okay. This is a fully defined and this is a not defined. This is a diameter, circle is defined, and this is a circle and coordinate is both is defined, okay. And next is a, and next is a equidistance point, okay. Drag a circle and line, okay. This line is deleted, this point is also deleted, okay. And equidistance means this, select, click this and click any body, any circle, any body, okay. This is a 20 means change 10, okay, 10, click, okay. This is a equidistance is created, and this is a line, select, and this is a 10 is equidistance is selected, okay. And next is a intersection point. At first select a two line, first line and second line is a two line, and second line is a drag here, okay. And again select a first line, and second line is a drag here, Okay, this is a delete. Okay, center, this is a intersection point. Intersection points means select this and two line is selected, then click a intersection point. This point is meet each other, this point is connect each other, and this point is select and this point is control, this point is select. This is a meet, this point is line is connect each other. Okay, and this point also, this point and this point is a okay, this point control, this point is a two line is connect each other, the two line is a intersection, this is a intersection point. And the last point is a, this is a very important projection point. Projection point is a draw a, at first draw a any ellipse. Okay, drag here and any circle is okay, and at first select this point and equidistance, distance is 20. Okay, okay, and all 20 point projection along with circle drawing. Okay, this is a projection point, and select a ellipse, all body of ellipse, and this is a circle is click, then all projection is drawing with circle. Okay, this is a very important, this is a projection point is very important. Okay, and okay guys, three line you can see here drawing. First line, okay, delete here, okay, delete here. Okay, third line is drawing. This is a very important. First line is a okay, this is a basic line, and this is a construction line. Okay, and this is a axis line. Third line is a difference. This is a very important. Okay, this is a very important. This line is a basic line, and this line is a construction line, this line is a axis line. This line is use any okay, okay, this is a basic line is use any element is drawing a outer body. So yeah, outer body, so any element is drawing, this is a use a basic line. Any element is outer body is showing, then use a line is basic line, and any reference line or projection line, any use a center, any use a construction line, and this is a axis line. Axis line is use any element show a center point, any element show a center point, then use a axis line. Okay, the three line is very important engineering drawing. Okay guys, next lecture, CATIA lecture 10 is coming soon, and guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel, like and share. Okay guys, thank you.